Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a diagram which shows a segment of circle such that CD is perpendicular bisector of the chord AB, and given that AB equals 32 and CD is equals 8, we have to find the value of the diameter of the circle. Okay, for this we have to draw some construction. So we are creating a circle. So this is a circle, and then this is the required segment as given in the diagram, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to name it as given in the diagram, that is A. Over here we have C, and then we have B, and this is our D. Sorry, passing through switch, this is our D, and this is the center O of the circle. Now connect O with A and again connect O with B. Now we know that a line which has been drawn from the center and perpendicular to the sector AB perpendicularly bisects the line AB. It bisects the line AB, and given in the diagram that AB equals 32 centimeter, therefore AC will be equals 16 centimeter. Therefore AC will be equals 16 centimeter. CD is given as 8 centimeter. CD is given as 8 centimeter. Now let the radius of the circle be R. So let radius of circle be R centimeter. Now carefully observe that radius, which is R, will be equals OA will be equals OD. Now OD can be written as OC plus CD, OC plus CD, right? So what we can do is we can consider OC as X. So let OC equals X. Therefore OD, which is equals R, will be equals OC, which is X, plus CD, which is equals 8. So R is equals X plus 8. Again in triangle OAC, since it is right angled at C, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we will get OA square equals OC square plus AC square, right? Now what is OC? OC is X, and we can write X equals R minus 8. Therefore X will be equals R minus 8. So, and what is OA? OA is nothing but radius of the circle, which is R. So R square will be equals OC square, that is R minus 8 whole square, plus AC square, which is 16. So 16 square. So this will become R square equals R square plus 64, that is 8 square, minus of 2 multiplied by R multiplied by 8, which is 16R, and then we have 16 square, which is 256, right? So R square and R square will cancel out each other. We will have 16R equals 256 plus 64. So 256 plus 64 will be equals 320. Now divide both sides of the equality by 16. So R will be equals 320 upon 16, which is equals 20. Therefore radius equals 20 centimeter. Now let's observe the question one more time. In the question they have asked us to find the diameter of the circle. Therefore diameter is nothing but 2 times radius. So diameter will be equals 2 multiplied by 20, which will be equals 40 centimeter. So this will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.